Hey guys, this is the first of the many videos that you will see I'm going to do, and all of these are going to be solving exercises from chapter 11. So I'm going to try to keep this short, okay? So section 11.1, we're going to keep talking about circles, circumferences specifically, which is the length of the circle, and areas of the regions inside the circle, and also and eventually talking about volumes. In section 11.1 we're going to talk about the circumference and the arc length. All right, so in this case, just briefly, when you have a circle, this line, it will be called circumference or perimeter, right? And in order to calculate that length, we are going to use this, either the radius or the diameter of the circumference. Okay, in this case, this is a diameter, right? And this is, this is a radius, and the whole thing here is going to be a diameter. All right, so there's a relationship between these two that involves a constant that we already know. So in general terms, every time you divide the length of a circumference by the diameter, you will always get a constant number that we call pi. Okay, and for practical terms, when you are asked to calculate the exact value, you are going just to keep pi in the result and or in the answer. But if you want to give an approximate answer, we are going to say that pi is approximately 3.14. Okay, so in this case, we have a first exercise where we have to find the circumference. It means the length of the circle of a circle that has a radius of 5.4 feet. Okay, so in this case, we just have to remember that this is the relationship, and we can use this one, either one, it's okay. So the circumference of that circle will be 2 pi multiplied by the radius, which is 5.4. All right, so we can do two things. We can give an exact answer which will involve pi, so you just have to multiply this 2 by 5.4, which is 10.8 pi. This is the exact answer. All right, because pi is an irrational number, which means that have infinite number of decimal places and we will never finish. All right, writing that number. But if you want to give an estimate of that, so you are going to use 3.14, and when you multiply 3.14 by 10.8 and you round it to one decimal place, that is going to be 33.9 feet, the circumference of that circle. That's it.